He was once the top cop, but now he's back on the beat. Can a former Chief Judge redeem himself on the streets of Dan Francisco? Judge Dan Francisco was a Justice Department PR darling, an immensely popular vid-star whose 24-hour reality show, The Streets of Dan Francisco, enthralled Megacity 1 viewers as he tackled crime live on air. A satirical riff by John Wagner on the election of Barack Obama and the policies of the UK's coalition government, the popular and well-meaning Francisco was chosen by a cabal of hardline judges to unseat Chief Judge Hershey over her support of Judge Dredd's calamitous reforms of the anti-mutant laws. Francisco won by a landslide, but narrowly avoided death when an anti-mutant gang posing as mutants attacked him and killed his partner. Taking office, Francisco appointed Judge Sinfield his key backer as Deputy Chief Judge, and when his health failed, Sinfield dosed him with a powerful hypnotic drug and persuaded him to resign and appoint him as Chief Judge. After Dredd uncovered Sinfield's crimes, Francisco returned to health and office, but was taken unawares by the Day of Chaos biological terrorist attack by Sov agents, which left hundreds of millions dead. Devastated by his mistakes, Francisco resigned and appointed Judge Hershey to succeed him. Haunted by guilt and determined to bring stability to his broken city, Francisco returned to the streets in a series by Arthur Wyatt with art by Paul Marshall and Chris Blythe that ran in the Judge Dredd magazine. The camera still followed him, but the citizens blamed him for what had happened, and there was now a dark emptiness in his soul. After putting down the Dune Sharks gang, Francisco ended his show and returned to being an anonymous street judge. Francisco is one of those characters that Judge Dredd does so very well. Clever, multifaceted, human, and nuanced, he was key to two major storylines, while also showing a side of the judges often overlooked. His naivety, his fall from grace, and his heartbreaking attempt at redemption kept one of the most intriguing supporting characters in the strip for years. So if you want to walk the streets of Dan Francisco, you can pick up trades of Tour of Duty The Backlash and Tour of Duty Megacity Justice, as well as the 3 volumes of The Day of Chaos, 4th Faction, Endgame and Aftermath, and read the spin-off series in Judge Dredd magazine 335 to 339, all available from 2000 AD's web shop and apps. Well, we stay in Megacity 1 next week, Earthlets, as we meet the greatest taxidermist of his age, Jacob Sardini.